So guys, we're gonna do... What, Jana?
Let's go to SM Bacabor.
Okay.
Because I want to buy Jana's Eats.
So I just type in Google. Jana is right. Jana has, Jana eats. This is actually super nice and super ube. Let's go. We're finally here in SM Bacor. It actually says food section. Jana, look, it's over there. Currently, this is it. Ding! We are finally home. Got this. Jana, do the honors.
Yeah.
Look, Jana. Ube flavor. Let's open it. Ding!
Oh my god.
Open it. Come on, come on, come on. Open right now.
What is that, Kuya?
Wait, gonna try it.
Oh, no!